Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new trade-in 2018 Sea Ray 19 SPX. All right, so great little boat. I sold this boat originally when it was new. It's a one-owner boat, been in freshwater only all of its life, 199 hours, so under 200 hours, and has been serviced by the book by us here. So fantastic condition, great little boat. 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower, plenty of power if you want to pull kids on tubes or skis. It does have a water sports tower. This does fold down for easy storage. Nice cooler underneath your back seat. This seat here also flips underneath of itself, so if you want to use this as a forward-facing seat, you can. Does have a Simrad 5-inch built into the dash, so GPS, charts plotter, forward-looking nav, fish finder, downscan sonar, nice in-floor ski locker, all snap-in, snap-out carpet, and great seating up front. At under 20 foot long, it's one of the biggest boats you'll ever see, under 20 foot, if that makes sense. Just a lot of interior cockpit space. So if you've got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.